Welcome to the exploration of the 3D printed dental brace market. The market for 3D printed dental braces is rapidly evolving with technological advancements. 3D printing provides significant advantages in terms of customization and efficiency. In recent years, the demand for personalized orthodontic solutions has surged. The 3D printed dental brace market is likely to be worth $395.6 million in 2024 and is expected to be valued at $633.9 million by 2034. Between 2024 and 2034, environmental sustainability is also becoming a significant consideration in production processes. The future of 3D printed dental braces holds promising potential for both providers and patients. Stay tuned for more insights on this transformative market landscape.